5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire them up. 62A. I noticed Abby Green's trying to get herself going there. A couple of contacts there. Again, a 15-minute event, number of hits. Anybody else think these events are rougher than the regular demolitions?
He's under his car. Don't kill my kid. Everybody's cool. No, they're working on it. Don't hurt my baby boy out there. Let's go. Out of the way, Big B!
That's Brian Ellingsworth, 58 for Plainfield. Looks like you okay? Good to go?
You bet. Show what you got, Big B. They're going to beat each other up with them. They're going to have fun and beat each other up. This is why I bring a first aid kit. Whack him in the head. Trent, go under his car and just flip it over. No, you don't want to flip him over.
Green flag.
You don't want to do that.
Hey, but he destroyed him.
Well, they didn't mean to flip him over. It just happened.
Once again, that's 58. Brian Ellingsworth for Plainfield. 62A is Abby Green. Trying to get herself going there again.
Whack her with that noodle.
63C, Alex Green from Garden Prairie. And 93C, that's Cody Lang from Schaumburg. Again, we're counting the number of contacts in this time period.
Out of the way, B! Friends, huh? I think they're friends.
I heard that one.
There goes that noodle.
Difficult time trying to get your tractor going. Ooh, there's a crunch. You got a red flag. Red flag.
She's leaking.
Good thing.
Her oil's out.
Well, you don't go very far if your oil goes out.
Yeah, it must have been popped something open.
Gas leak for the vehicle there operated by Abby Green, 62A.
Got a piece of gum sticking on there. She's not happy. Green flag, green flag.
Action resumes. See if we can get Abby back in the contest there. We still have, was it 58? Brian Ellingsworth trying to get his tractor going there.
Come on, B, take her to the dance!
They're locked up in a duel there. Again, 93C Cody Lang there and Brian Ellingsworth.
Yeah, push your hood down, big boy.
Been delivering most of the offensive shots here in the past couple of minutes or so. Brian trying to get himself going.
Oh, it's moving now. Go B!
No, that'll destroy the car.
Take him to the dance, Big B!
Cody in the lead at this point with number of hits over Brian Ellingsworth. Again, that's what it's all about, making that contact.
Keep going, Bri! Go, 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 go! Hit him with your noodle.
Cody's got himself going there. Now they're doing some circles around each other, jockeying for position here. Again, he and Brian Ellingsworth, your two contestants in the contest. Echo back here.
Take him to the dance, B!
2-minute warning.
Go, go.
Cody Lang of Schaumburg with a narrow lead of hits over Brian Ellingsworth. I just noticed it has gotten very close. There's what, 1 or 2 that separate them. So this is a close contest. Couple of good shots right there. Is that part of the rules, sir? What do you call those? The Nerf flags being attacked with that? Speaking about being attacked, over here by crazy birds. Man, I feel like we're Alfred Hitchcock movie. Look out! I mean, they're coming all around us here.
Go on, Bri!
We haven't taken your nest away or anything, have we, guys? I don't want to hurt them. They're going to call PETA on us, aren't they? Watch out. You must think this is their territory. 1-minute warning. At this point, I'm not sure he's going to deliver more hits. The tractors of the birds on us. Under a minute. Is there a penalty for one of the judges or being assaulted with one of those? See it going on. Contact, that's what it's all about. What do we have on numbers here? They are tied right now, guys. Cody Lang and Brian Ellingsworth, you're tied.
Go on, Brian!
Crowd, make some noise. Who do you like here? We've got to be near, what, 30 seconds. Running out of time.
Take him to the dance, Big B!
15 seconds.
Woo!
Come on, boys, crack it up. Your last shot. There's another one there. Ellingsworth, number 58. And 93C, Cody Lang. Is that it? Okay. It went back and forth there at the end. Your winner, 58, Brian Ellingsworth from Greenfield. Of course, second, 93